This morning, jury selection begins in the federal trial of former JEA executives Zahn and Wannemacher.
Both men are charged with conspiracy and wire fraud in connection to a proposed bonus plan that prosecutors say could have paid out hundreds of millions of dollars to executives if JEA was sold. News4JAX reporter Ashley Harding joins us live. Ashley, 2 juries are needed for this trial.
That is right, Vic. Each defendant is getting his own jury. One's going to be selected today. The other one will be selected tomorrow. Now jury selection officially gets underway in a little less than an hour. So at some point, we do expect to see both men enter the federal courthouse here in downtown Jacksonville. I will mention just yesterday, they were both here in court for one final hearing ahead of the trial, which, by the way, is expected to officially start on Tuesday. Nearly 2 years after their indictment, JEA's former CEO Zahn and his former CFO Wannemacher are set to go to trial. These are sketches of both men in federal court Wednesday. For weeks, attorneys have been questioning trial witnesses to figure out if their testimony was in any way impacted by statements both Zahn and Wannemacher gave to city attorneys in early 2020. These are known as protected statements, which can't be used against them in a criminal case. And this is video of both men at the federal courthouse one day after the indictment was unsealed. With the conspiracy charge, the indictment said Wannemacher prepared 2 spreadsheets that calculated that a $4 billion increase to the book value of JEA would increase the bonus plan from $0 to $11,500. It said this would lead to a total payout of $345 million. It went on to say Zahn did have access to the spreadsheets. The indictment also said presentations were made to the JEA board, saying the utility's future was in a death spiral, which had a role in persuading board members to vote in favor of privatizing JEA. If that happened, it would have led to the multi-million-dollar payouts under the PUP. Also, according to the indictment, a July 2019 board meeting where the sale and bonus plan were approved was streamed over the internet. It said this caused wire transmissions outside of Florida. This is what led to the wire charge. Opening statements are scheduled to start Tuesday morning. And jury selection today starts at 9 a.m. And once the trial gets underway, it's expected to last roughly a month. Now, if they're convicted on all charges, both men face up to 25 years in a federal prison. We're live downtown this morning. Ashley Harding, Channel 4, the local station.